Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Happy Mask Monday, ladies. And here we are, another Monday. But today is a special Monday. It's Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. Or I'd say, I guess, a day off for a lot of us, right? And so today what I want to do is I want to share with you one of my favorite masks. And this is by Dermtology. And it's a pumpkin enzyme mask. And as well as this, I would also like to reveal last week's Mask Monday Ladies Mask Giveaway that I have on a weekly basis. So if you're interested in those two things, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I was saying in the intro, I do have this pumpkin enzyme mask, and I do like this, and I used it a couple of times, but I tend to peel afterwards. But I think it's because of the maybe tretinoin, the retin-A that I use afterwards. I'm gonna have to not do that this time and see if it makes a difference. But before I get into it and tell you about this mask, I would like to do a little bit of a quote or affirmation. So let's go ahead with my motivation app. And okay, there we go. And we're gonna pick something. Okay, this is all white. And last time I noticed when I shared this with you that it was way out of focus. And I do apologize for that. Hopefully that'll be in focus, because it is out of focus for me at any time because I'm not wearing my glasses. Okay, so what does it say? It says, everyone has gone through something that has changed them in a way that they could never go back to the person they once were. Wow, that's really heavy, guys. Everyone has gone through something that has changed them in a way that they could never go back to the person they once were. I agree with that. And most recently, I mean, I faced when I first converted to Islam and started wearing my my hijab or my headscarf. I had negative and positive, feedback from people. But I think, the one thing that really impacted me, and a very much so, is the fact that how I was treated in, places, that I shouldn't have been treated badly. And it has really changed me. And it has changed me to a point where, it hurt my feelings, but it made me stronger. Believe it or not, it made me a stronger person. And even though, I did choose to remove it at my workplace to make my life a little bit easier, because that is something I can control, right? I can control that. But it's made me stronger. It's made me smarter, and, to really understand who people are at their root, and that, prejudices and biases are always going to be there in some, and of course not in others. But it did change me, but it did make me a better person, I think, because it made me think about others that can't just simply remove a scarf. Imagine a person that's black, right? You can't just shower it off. That's silly, right? So, and that's something they can't control, but they can make, better things out of it, really understanding people. And, but yeah, it is impactful, because it's something I didn't want to do, but I did. But it did make me a stronger person. So, yep. And I can control it, and so I decided to. So, yeah, that's that. And so, let's see. Let's go with the mask. And like I said, I did peel with this, and it is an enzyme mask, and maybe that's the reason why. But yeah, and this is it has pumpkin fruit extract. It has vitamin E, and it has silver, jojoba beads, and I think that's it. Yeah, and all the other ones are what do you call it? Not the main ingredient. God, I'm really losing words here. And so, not the effective ingredient, active ingredient. That's it. God, spit it out. So, okay, what does this say? It's nourishing, self-warming, deep cleansing mask. And it combines minerals, enzymes, and vitamins to reduce pore size, cleanse, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin. So it says directions: apply generous amount to clean dry skin, Massage into skin until warming sensation dissipates. Allow the mask to sit on the skin for 10 minutes. Wet hands and repeat massaging action. Rinse thoroughly with warm water or as directed by a physician. So as you notice, this is directed by a physician because these, the dermatology line is actually a clinical line. And so, yeah, it's, you know, it's not something like you buy at a drugstore. Well, you could, I guess. I mean, you could order it online, but it's not the same, like, say, something from e.l.f. or something like that, right? So, yeah. So let's go ahead and do this. And I forgot I have to like rub that in. I did bring my paddle though because I don't want to dip into the jar. But let me tell you this one thing about this I love is the pumpkin scent. And it's natural. But you know, I don't like fragrances, some might think, but I don't mind it in this because it smells so clean. And you can see the pumpkin, like a little bits of pumpkin there. So yeah, and it doesn't, I mean, it says put generous amount, but as you notice, I used it a couple of times, and I mean, it's not like I used a whole bunch. It doesn't really need that much. And so, okay, let's just go ahead and do that. And then, oh, you know what, before I do that, let me get my phone to say 10 minutes because I don't want to leave it on any longer than that. Okay, so let's get the timer. And I will say, no, not 30 minutes. That is not going to work. Okay, 10 minutes. So all I have to do is hit start. Yeah, I have to hit start, so I can't forget that. And I'm going to go ahead and scoop a bit like so on my paddle. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in places, and then I'll rub it in once I get it on me. Oh, darn, I just washed these jeans too. Okay, but that's okay. I'm putting a liberal amount this time because it does say put a liberal amount. And it does say to put on a dry skin, which means it's not going to move as far. So that's why I decided I'm going to do it like that. Okay. And we do want to keep this stuff away from the eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and put it like kind of sort of like that. And then I'll rub it in once I have it on me. Okay. And I do have a paper towel. Oh, it's starting to warm up already. I can feel it. Oh, I love the way that feels. It feels really warm. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit the timer now. But, oh, wow. Most definitely very warming. Oh, my goodness. It said until it dissipates, right? Okay, so let's keep doing that. You know what? This feels so nice. It's almost like putting cinnamon on your face. But don't do that. Okay, and you guys know that, you know, once I put this on and then the warminess goes away and I have to leave it on for the 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and go to commercial break so we can announce the winner for the Mask Monday Ladies Mask Giveaway. Okay, and then I will have another one. And we will call the keyword, let me see, our secret word, what do we want to say? Well, let's call it pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin. That's a good one because I'm doing a pumpkin enzyme mask. So, okay, it still feels warm, but it's starting to go away. Okay, so the giveaway is going to be some sets of masks, and it will come in a large envelope, and I'll try to throw whatever flat that's in there that I can. And you have to say pumpkin in the comments, and please don't write pumpkin enter me. Just make it into a sentence, you know, I don't care. I like pumpkin pie. Yeah. But anyway, so, all right. I know you guys are eager to know who won the giveaway. So, let's go to commercial break. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Here we are. We are here to reveal the Mask Monday Ladies Mask Giveaway from last week, which was January 10th, 2022. Well, I have already copied the YouTube video URL here, as you can see. And then I did filter for duplicate users so everybody gets one entry. And I filtered comments based on a specific text. And since today is Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, I chose the word King, and here it is. And so let's see how many people participated in the giveaway. And let's see. Okay, we have 24 unique comments. So now what we need to do is out of the 24, who is the winner? So we're going to hop on back over here, and start the raffle and pick our random winner. Here we go. Ashley Nunya. Ashley Nunya. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your last name correctly. It says, she said, Happy Mask Monday. I always loved the cartoon King of the Hill. Okay, well, let's see, Ashley. See if you are publicly subscribed to me. And I will go to your channel here, and it's thinking about it. My computer's like been really thinking while I'm uploading something in the background. So yes, and we will go ahead and select her channel. Okay, and it looks like her subscriptions are public. And so let's go ahead all the way down. And it's taking its time. Like I said, I am downloading something in the background. So let me do that with this hand so I don't knock everything over. Okay, let's get to the bottom. And still more to go. And I think that's it, right? Yep. Let's do Command F. And we are going to say Haute. I didn't even have to go that far. Here I am, Haute Modesty. Okay, Ashley, congratulations. And let's go back to the main programming, and I will go ahead and congratulate you properly and give you the rules on how you can contact me. So here we go. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Ashley. Good win. And you have 48 hours to get in touch with me either by Instagram, Haute, Haute .modesty, MODESTY, and DM me there. Or you can simply go to the very last thing in the details below all of my videos, and it will be my email address, and you just send me your name and your email address, and that way I can get the goodies out to you. And I do ship on a weekend, so being that I'm leaving this weekend, I will probably get it out to you before that, okay? No, I know I will get it out to you before that. So again, Ashley, congratulations. Okay, guys. Alrighty, so what did I think about this mask? Well, what do I always think about it? The first couple of times, the first time I put it on, I don't know if I left it on too long, or again, did I put on my, retin-A afterwards, and then that's why it really peeled me. And I think the same thing second, I don't think I did retin-A, but I did put some peptides on. And so what I simply did right after doing the mask is I use this neutralizing toner, because neutralizing toner should neutralize any kind of acidic or basic chemical action that is taking place on the surface of your skin, which creates, further enzymatic actions that can create burns. And so I did neutralize it, and I made sure that part still feels kind of burning. So it is kind of like now it's calmed down a little bit, and I am not going to use my retin-A or anything else other than a CeraVe moisturizer after this, and then that's it. But I do like the way it makes my skin feel. But because I do have normal to dry skin, it does feel kind of tight right afterwards, okay? Now, which I'm sure is expected. But if you have oily skin or maybe combination oily, it wouldn't feel as tight. But it actually makes my face feel like it's firmed up a bit. And so, yeah, and I do like it. I do love this brand, and this is a sunscreen I use, and so I do love dermatology. So give it a try if you haven't. So yeah. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for joining me today on a Monday on MLK Jr. holiday. And so if I added any value, not content, of course I added content. If I added any value, please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm going to scoot over. And please use that button that's down there and ring the bell and subscribe, and that way you'll know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this. It does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. sleepy. I made like 4 videos today. I'm gonna try to get some videos up for the weekend that I'm gone. So yeah, but that's okay. It's all right. And then I'm really having fun with my succulents videos, and that's really been fun for me. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining me, and please be careful out there. The COVID is still floating around. Okay, so I love you all. Mwah.